Hey guys, what's going on? Holly Oxted here. In this video, I'm going to share with you step by step how to build a basic funnel to be able to get clients into your coaching business. Chad is not with me today, so we're going to do something really cool. Every Wednesday, me and him are going to kind of switch off and bring you guys a how-to video, whether it be how to do something technical, how to be able to build your social media, how to be able to get clients online, like all of the how-to tactical stuff. So if you are not subscribed to our channel, make sure that you are subscribed now so you don't miss all of our videos. We have videos that come out on Monday and Wednesdays. Are you ready? Awesome. I totally love funnels. It could be a whole video on itself on why funnels, why I've become like obsessed, aka funnel queen, is ultimately when I started my business from a hospital bed. Found out about systems. I knew that's what I needed to implement so I could always have something working for me so I could focus on my health. Well, health on, still love funnels, and now work with all sorts of people who are out there to impact the world. And I would be more than happy to help you with everything that you got going on, especially when it comes to automation and funnels. So I'm going to share step by step how to set up a funnel for you. Now, I use ClickFunnels. There is what we use ClickFunnels and everything. I have used all of the other ones. I've tried Lead Pages. I've tried Insta Pages. I've tried all of these different ones before. I always come back to ClickFunnels. It's the easiest, it's streamlined, it has an amazing community. I love ClickFunnels. I go to their events every year. I've been a part of ClickFunnels in the community really since they started. So you can get a free trial below right under here to go test this out for yourself and really play around with it. Being able to automate your business is so transformational. A lot of people get stuck on like the how-tos, right? So how can you just set up a funnel that's easy, you can just go, right? Now, if you don't want to do any of this, I will say, we also do this for our clients, but there are some people who are just like, I want to test this out and do this for myself. So I wanted to do a walkthrough of how you can do that too. So super easy. This is the back office when you get your funnel. All you have to do, there's a few things. You can either add new or you can go here. And this is where you will get all of your funnels, contacts, build a funnel, funnel marketplace. Funnel marketplace is where you can go and get like paid templates and stuff. You can totally do this not having, just build a funnel. So go build a funnel. You can either get the cookbook process, which is kind of, it'll walk you through what types of funnel you need, or you can go to the classic funnel. So I think I'm going to show you both because I went to show the Cook Builder, but I think it's really missing a lot of the cooler funnels, and I think you get more options here, but I want to make this easy and basic. So the easy basic version is to start in the cookbook, right? So if this is your first time ever doing any kind of funnels, use the cookbook, right? So the cookbook is really cool. You can actually get a free copy when you click below here in that link. I actually have the cookbook right here. Oh, look at that. I actually have the cookbook right here, which you can get right below this video that helps you out really be able to put your funnels and stuff together. It's a very, very cool book. Anywho's, so what you want to do here is, let me shorten this up, is ultimately pick what industry you're in. Now, if you're watching this video, chances are 90% you are an author, speaker, coach, consultant. You're someone out there doing super cool big things in the world. So click that. Those are the funnels that are going to come up for you. You can do a few different things if you're out to generate leads, sell a product, create an event, maybe a webinar, or other, right? So pick what type of funnel that you're out to look for. Let's do a basic, lead magnet here. So here, if you're doing a webinar, you have a webinar funnel. If you're doing a sales funnel, membership funnel, product launch funnel, you just want to pick which kind of funnel, and also go in here and just have fun, like which ones. There's so many different templates here. It's really fun. So there is, what I love about ClickFunnels is there is also videos that show you, is this the type of funnel that you need? Total time to build it, about 30 minutes, right? Really easy. Here's a video as well here that can walk you through it. So ultimately, a lead magnet is you're giving something away, like you're giving a book or something, an ebook, a workbook, video series, something to your people in exchange for information, right? So you want to set up a lead magnet. That's going to be a whole different series. Again, if you're not subscribed, make sure that you subscribe so you get all of the content that we have to be able to help you set this up for yourself. So if you have a lead magnet, you're just going to pick, you're going to pick all of these. You can choose, you can change colors, you can change backgrounds, right? This is just your template. So let's go to this one. I like this one. You'll kind of see these are some of the pages that you have, right? So you'll just click Get Funnel, that's it. And what it's gonna do is it's loading into your back office now. And what I love about ClickFunnels is very drag and drop. It's super easy to navigate through. So while we're waiting here, I will have a different how-to video to integrate your emails and your autoresponder. You'll wanna go here to be able to do that. So here you have your funnel, right? This is like where you're gonna go. So there's a few things here we'll walk through. This is the steps. These are your stats. So once you start building it, you'll be able to see your conversion rate, your opt-ins, your uniques, all of the different pages and steps here. You'll be able to see the numbers. You can pick the dates on how many numbers we got. We're totally working from scratch here, but just so you can see what's possible. All the contacts that got added in are right here. And the settings, the general settings is so here you can change the name of your funnel. So we're gonna just make this a test funnel. If you have a group tag, so let's say you have like multiple funnels, maybe for just your program or one specific program. So you want to tag all of the funnels so you can find them easier, right? So when you start having a bunch of funnels like we do, you wanna start having them in groups and some sort of organization. Your domain is you can choose which domain you want to use. Now, ultimately, to add a domain in is you'll go to the settings here, and you'll go to domain and then follow the steps. Okay. Sorry, I didn't mean to do all that. Don't care about Twilio right now. Not what we are doing. Did not mean to click that button. Let's see if we can go back here. So another place for the settings, you'll change your domain. You'll change, if you want to change the path name, you'll change that in the funnel in the settings. And also when you put your Facebook pixel in to your funnel, you'll put it in the settings as well. So that way, what that means is that your pixel is going to be on every single page of the funnel. Now pixels come in, if you're not doing ads yet, that's okay. You still want to have the pixel in there. So that way, when you do go and launch that, you are collecting information. Okay, cool, so it's right here. So what you're gonna do, so we went through the settings. Now here is the overview. Any automation that you wanna add in, if you want to, you do need Actionetics, you do need to set that up. It is a whole process. There's how-to trainings inside ClickFunnels that show you how to do this so that your email, you can email directly from ClickFunnels, but I will say that takes Actionetics and it is the full-on version. So I have the full-on version, use it. It's the foundations of our business, worth every single penny. But this is how your automation you can set up. So you send out emails, you can literally, the automation here is very cool. So you can get notifications, add to lists, set everything up here per funnel. If you want to text people, that's all done through here. And then your publishing is settings affects all of the pages, where publishing affects just this one page. So right now the funnel has 2 steps, and this is your publishing. So if you want to change, this is going to be opt-in, right? Or whatever you want it to be. And I'm just going to change it there, right? So ultimately the way a funnel works is you're bringing people through a process. You're getting their information, and then you're able to follow up with them in a more automated way, right? So to use ClickFunnels, you'll come here, you will put in your hook here. Chad is like the professional hooker, I like to call him. There's a video that kind of explains how to do, just make sure you're subscribed. We'll do if I can find the video, I'll link it to make sure you guys can get that on finding hooks and really bringing people in. So you want to have a good, strong hook for people to opt in for your lead magnet, right? So you'll put your hook here, you'll put an appealing headline here. You want to put a picture. So when you're building this, ClickFunnels goes into three different sections. You have this green section here, you have the blue section here, and you have these little orange sections here. So these are the green section here is like your overall sections. Within the sections, you have rows. So the rows are what holds the elements, and you can add new ones. You can have 2 columns, 3 columns, 4, 5, 6, a right sidebar. You can move these around. So those are the rows, okay? Now, the elements, those are headlines, sublines. So every time you click on to add a new element, you will just choose what you want to include. Is it an image, a video, a bullet list, a button, forms, navigation, all that stuff, right? So you will have it all right here. You literally just click on it. Let's see if you wanted to image, POW, right there, and then you'll go to settings to fix it. So I'm gonna actually take all of these out. And that's what you need, my lead magnet. It's totally not what you want to write, but this is going to bring you in such amazing results for you. All right, and then the email is set. So to order to change pictures, there's always over every element, excuse me, over every element here, the orange is the settings. So there's a settings, 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 settings. See that? So every time you want to change something within the element, press settings, and then you'll see a box come up. So you'll be able to either upload a picture here, or you know, if you have there's a few pictures in here. I just upload, let's upload Anthony. Anthony is one of our clients. So we're gonna add image. What's up, Anthony? POW. If you want to, really, for a lead magnet, keep it simple. Like, you don't need a big, huge, long thing. Like, here's the info. Test it a bit. Sometimes videos do really good here. Sometimes a picture of the lead magnet does good here. It's all about testing. So once you have the design here, you can literally go to settings, a background, if you want to choose the background picture and make that a bit different. POW, she looks halfway decent. So in integrations, right? So how do you get this here? Well, first you're going to integrate going here. You're going to go to integrations and integrate your autoresponder if you have a different autoresponder. Now, I'm not going to cover that in this video. So there is videos inside of ClickFunnels that will show you how to do that, but you have to have your email automator or Aweber or your automation, whatever it is, excuse me, you have to have that already integrated before you integrate a specific funnel. But you do want to make sure that you go here, you'll integrate, you'll select whatever, so you'll set it up. So you see we have ActiveCampaign, we have Aweber, another Aweber. So we have a few different things that we've integrated in here. Yeah, I haven't used Aweber in a long time. So Actionetics, we're going to add it to list, and then we're going to choose a list, and it's going to go to our master broadcast list. Okay. So whatever list, you're going to create a list, or whatever list is inside of your autoresponder, get that set up, and then you'll integrate it right here. Another thing you want to do is your SEO metadata. Seriously, make sure you do this before you ever share it online, or it's a big pain to change. So you're going to put your title of awesome lead magnet. Awesome lead magnet. Put in your description, put in your image, all this stuff. I'm not going to publish it, but you need those. So everything is going to be here. So that's your SEO preview. So when you share this on social media, right, if this is not done, and then you go and share it, what happens is Facebook does this cookie thing, and it's a whole big pain in the butt to switch it. Is it possible? Yes, it's a pain in the butt. All right, so just make sure that you get that part done. Your tracking code. This is where if you are putting in your pixels, you want to put in like your leads and stuff. It's a little bit more advanced, but it's right there to be able to put in any sort of tracking. If you want to have a pop-up, you can have the settings here. So let's say when this button gets clicked, it submits. So when does this come up? So you can have a pop-up come up like when they're leaving, right? Triggers on exit, show user when it tries to exit. I can just increase your opt-in rate. So when people are trying to leave their page, like, hey, are you sure? Sign up to get the whole course. Pow. Right, and you can change this, just like I said, like super easy, guys. Right, and then just if you want to preview it, save it first and then preview it. Save, preview. Voila, you are good to go. That is it. That is all it takes. So once you get like your copy, and like, do not overcomplicate the process, because you would be amazed. The simplest funnels convert very, very well. So I hope that was helpful for you. Let me know in the comments below if you like these how-to videos, if you want more of these how-to videos, and I will also put our links to be able to get a hold of us if you need some more additional help with your funnels and your processes of getting more clients. If you want that link of free trial for ClickFunnels, it's right below here. I'm also going to include our book for the client attraction code. So let's say that you get this system together, you're great. Well, how do you keep getting more clients? Ultimately, it's a code. Chad and I have put together a whole video series to be able to help you get that code. So you got some assignments to do. I can't wait to hear from you and hear how this is working for you. Have an awesome day. Make sure you're subscribed. I'll see you guys on the next video.